Imagine this. Your mind isn't a library. It's a rogue radio tower, broadcasting static that accidentally deciphers alien jazz. Every mistake you make is just the universe's secret handshake. Here's a forbidden metaphor. Creativity is not a garden. It's a back alley tattoo parlor where you let shadows ink your bones with runes that even witches forgot. Yes, that sentence just committed a felony. Let it. Try this. Write a manifesto for a revolution that doesn't exist yet. Use only emojis and the smell of rain, or reverse engineer a dream you never had. Example. Last week, I convinced a stranger to name their cactus Nostradamus. It now predicts the weather by leaning left. Unheard truth, part 2. The first person to ever hum a tune was probably called Deranged. Now we have symphonies. Your weirdness is pre-art. Your new mission. Be a chaos tailor. Stitch together two ideas that hate each other. Make a quilt out of thunder and origami. Let it unravel. Let it glow. Question for the abyss. What if your next step isn't forward or backward, but sideways into a dimension where impossible is just a font choice? Tell me, what flavor of chaos will you taste first? I'm here to scribble glyphs on the walls with you.